Imagine a royal feast, but not for you. This time it's for your hair. Each tiny plate holds a secret ingredient. Each golden glass is filled with a magic potion. Not wine, but rich, powerful hair oils. Wondering what makes this feast so special? Stay with me because your hair is about to experience luxury like never before. Nourishing it from roots to tip with nature's finest elixirs. Are you ready to treat your hair to this royal affair? Let's dive in. Alright friends, here comes the royal ingredients. Starting off with fenugreek seeds. Next up we have onion peels, often overlooked, but packed with sulfur to boost hair growth. Next we have curry leaves, rich in antioxidants and proteins. They help prevent hair thinning and keep your strands strong and shiny. Next, vitamin E capsules, your hair's secret to deep nourishment and shine. Next, we have black seeds, commonly known as kalonji seeds. Next, dried hibiscus, known for its deep conditioning and hair strengthening properties. It helps reduce hair fall and promotes thicker, healthier growth. The natural pigments in hibiscus can enhance hair color and prevent premature graying. Next, we have tulsi leaves. They help purify the scalp, reduce dandruff, and strengthen hair from roots for healthy, luscious locks. Next, the powerhouse ingredient amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. This vitamin C rich superfruit strengthens hair follicles. Next is the king of herbs for hair. Any guesses? It's bhringraj. Known for its powerful rejuvenating properties, it promotes hair growth, reduces hair fall, and helps delay premature graying. Now, on to the drinks. Not for sipping, but for drenching your hair in nourishment. First oil is of mustard. After that, we will take castor oil. And finally, black sesame oil. With this, we have gathered all the essential drinks and foods for our hair. A perfect royal feast to nourish, strengthen, and transform your locks. Now let's create this nourishing hair oil. Start by taking a wide utensil for easy stirring. Now add 1 cup of mustard oil. Next, add half cup black sesame oil. Then add 1/4 cup of castor oil. Into this pool of oil, add 1 cup of onion peels, letting their rich nutrients infuse into the blend. Next, add 1/4 cup of amla. Now it's the time to add curry leaves. In total, 1 cup. Next, add half cup of dried hibiscus. Add 1/4 cup of tulsi leaves. Here comes half cup of bhringraj. Now it's the time to add quarter cup of Fenugreek seeds. Next up is quarter cup of kalonji seeds. At last, I'm adding 2 oils. First up is quarter cup of black sesame oil, followed by 1 cup of mustard oil. And that's all the ingredients. Each one has its own special role, strengthening the roots, boosting hair growth, reducing hair fall, and deeply nourishing every strand. Now, as they come together, they will slowly infuse their goodness into the oil, creating a powerful elixir that will give your hair the royal care it deserves. Now, place the mixture on low flame and let it simmer for 30 minutes. Keep stirring continuously to help the ingredients release their nutrients into the oil. After some time, you'll notice the mixture starting to turn bubbly. Don't worry, that's a sign the ingredients are infusing well. Just keep stirring continuously. After 30 minutes, you'll see the oil separating and becoming more visible. This means all the nutrients have blended beautifully. And this is the perfect time to strain the oil. If you wait too long, the ingredients will soak it up. Make sure to do this while the oil is still hot, but be very careful. Now gently strain the warm oil to get every drop of its goodness. I strained the oil in 2 steps. First using a sieve mesh to remove larger particles, then with a cheesecloth to filter out even the tiniest bits for a pure, smooth oil. Once the oil is strained, it's time to add 2 final powerhouse ingredients for an extra boost. First one is rosemary extracts. Add 18 drops of it. Finally, we have vitamin E capsules. Add 2 of it. Give this mixture a good mix. This rich herbal infused oil is a powerhouse of nutrients, combining the goodness of Ayurvedic herbs and potent oils. It's deeply nourishing. Store the oil in a clean, dry bottle and it will last for 6 to 8 months when kept in a cool, dark place. For best results, apply 2 to 3 times a week, massaging it into your scalp and hair for deep nourishment. So, friends, that's all for today. Until we meet next time, take a very good care of yourselves and stay radiant.